To me, branding is increasingly becoming a cultural discipline as well as a marketing science. We no longer can just depend upon demography or focus group to define who the Asian consumer is. We really need to understand the deep underlying cultural truths about them and really go beyond political boundaries to identify the segments that exist across Asia. Exactly for this reason, what we have done is in Ion Asia, we've tried to identify 5 unique segments based on how consumers think, feel, and choose their brands. The 5 Asian segments that we refer to as Asian tribes have been segmented based on their performance or affinity axis and how they look at brands, which is static versus dynamic. The biggest tribe that exists in Asia at 23% is called the perceived value seeker. They are the people who are looking for something beyond function. It's all about added value and emotional connections for them. The second one is the functions first. These are the pragmatic and the practical people who are purely looking at the functional qualities of a brand rather than looking at the brands that are popular or famous. The third one is a new brand enjoyer. These are the guys who look for variety. The most important thing for them is the experience. It's the attraction of the new for them. Individualistic brand believers is the fourth tribe, and these are the guys who are not looking for fashionable or trendy, but looking for brands that can help them imprint their individual tastes onto that product. The last one, but not the least, is the status seeker, who go after the top brands. For them, it is only the popular brands that exist, and they are always attracted to the status that comes with it. Each of these 5 tribes have their own unique characteristics, but the magic truly comes alive when we start to dig deeper and see how these mindsets and tribes impact the way they select the channels. What happens when they go onto the shop floor? What happens and how their choices change when they are faced with the first moment of truth. What's interesting is in the Ion Asia, we've done a detailed retail ethnography based on each of these mindsets to understand how can brands really shape their shop floors and how can we change the retail environment to suit the needs and the mindsets of these 5 Asian tribes. To give you an example, the first one, the largest tribe of Asia, which is the perceived value seeker, 63% of them like to go into shopping malls that have a good ambience. They are purely led by ambience and also look at the knowledge and experience of the salespeople who guide them to the brand aisles. They are looking for an extremely interactive shopping experience when they walk into a mall. For them, value is beyond the price of the brand that they are picking up. For them, value is all about how comfortable the mall is, how near it is to my home. Does it have facilities like a kids corner, for example? Does it have a valet parking? And all of that adds up to give them the additional value that they are looking for when they are out as a shopper in that mall. In direct contrast to the perceived value seeker is the individualistic believer and the functions first. 61% of them would rather shop online. They do not want to get into a mall which has got salespeople who are constantly bugging them. In fact, some of the countries, the direct verbatims that come out from individualistic believers is that they hate it when the shop floor people actually follow them or are trying to sell them something that they don't really want. And that is one of the key things that we need to pick up when brands need to start defining their retail spaces. Maybe for an individualistic believer, you do not need to have salespeople over there. Maybe it's all about the interactive displays that helps them find the information on their own. A user-friendly interface that helps them get the knowledge that they are looking for without the interference. If you look at another tribe, which is the new brand enjoyers, for them, interestingly, a shopping visit is almost like a treasure hunt. They are looking for new and exciting stuff, and they would walk into a shopping mall which gives them a different experience every time. Of course, variety is key, so they are looking for a mall or a channel where they can find maximum brands under one roof. But that's not enough. It's also about delivering a different experience every time. They are not going to believe in status quo. They are not looking for a constant experience every time. These are some of the differences that would help brands really shape their retail focus and really shape their shop floor focus based on the mindsets or the tribes that they are wanting to target. If you want to know a little more about the tribes, or if you want to know how your brands can structure your retail offerings in conjunction with how these mindsets work, just call us and we'll be happy to chat more. Thanks.